welcome to my new channel, Lorving Vibes. Today I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite recipes for a cake. Father's Day is coming, and I thought about making a cake for my husband. I'm gonna share with you my favorite recipe for a cake. This one is a meringue pistachio cake. It's delicious, and it's my own recipe. I hope you like it. We're going to start by making the white cake. Beat the butter on medium to high speed for 30 seconds. Add the sugar and vanilla, beat on medium speed for 3 minutes. Add the egg whites. After beating them well, alternate between adding the flour mixture and the milk with the lemon juice on low speed until everything combines perfectly. Then, we put it into your prepared pan and bake it at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Now we start the pistachio meringue. Start beating the egg whites. Then slowly add the Splenda and beat it until it dissolves completely. Then add the vanilla and the lemon juice. And keep beating until the consistency thickens. Now that it's ready, use a spatula and gently fold the pistachio mixture into the meringue. I'm beating it because I'm going to use this as a middle layer, and I'm making sure it's mixed well. Transfer the meringue onto a baking sheet with wax paper and bake at 250 for 40 minutes. Now let's start with the last meringue. Beat the egg whites in medium speed until they start to get fluffy. Add the lime juice and speed up to fast speed. Slowly start adding the confectioner sugar. Keep beating until it gets thick. Professionals call it overbeat. Meanwhile, after the cake have cooled down, cut it into the shape you want. After 40 minutes in the oven, I took out the pistachio meringue, folded into half, and put it back in the oven for 15 minutes. I then let it cool down. Now put the first layer of cake, then on the top a little bit of your icing. And on the top, the pistachio meringue previously cut to the size of your bread. Then put a layer of your icing again. Another layer of cake. Now cover your cake with the meringue. You can decorate with more ground pistachios or just following your heart. Add a sign. And done! You have your Father's Day pistachio meringue cake. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.